Mga ka-trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. Ngayong araw nga ang ikalangawang araw sa shooting nga ng Don Bell para sa movie nilang Tayo sa Wakas. At ang Don Bell official nga ay nagbahagi ng mga larawan ni na Donnie at Bell kasama nga ang ilang miyembro ng Don Bell official na kung saan nga ay nagbigay nga mga ito ng libreng pagkain sa lahat nga ng bumubuo ng Tayo sa Wakas. At ayon nga dito sa post ng Don Bell official, to show our sincerest support and gratitude towards the entire team of Tayo sa Wakas, today, March 18, we initiated the best food support we could give at such limited time despite being unable to be permitted to provide the catering service given their shooting location. Through everyone's trust and contributions, we have made it possible to cater such meaningful efforts and means to make Donnie and Belle and the whole team of Tayo sa Wakas feel our love, support, and anticipation for the upcoming comeback film of this generation's phenomenal love team, none other than our very own Don Bell. Nothing would have been possible without each and every one of you. In behalf of the whole fandom, we would like to extend our deepest gratitude and we will continue to be grateful of the trust you constantly give us. We hope we continue to move, support, and anticipate as one to be able to make this movie a blockbuster success, one that we know our genuine stars truly deserve. We are proud of us, Bubblies. All glory to God. Talaga namang naka-heartwarming and truly proud to see such support for Don Bell from fans who give their all. At makikita nga dito na talaga namang fresh na fresh nga ang larawan ni na Donnie at Bell. At ganito nga ang pormahan nila sa day 2 shoot ng kanilang movie na inabangan nga ng lahat, ang Tayo sa Wakas.